Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and installing the ADDS role so you can promote this server. First, set a static IP and point DNS to the host. Time sync matters because Kerberos fails with skew. Once done, add the ADDS and DNS server roles via Server Manager or PowerShell. This prepares services needed for domain creation. Make sure Windows Update is current and reserve any required IP/DHCP entries before you proceed with promotion. You now promote the server and design the domain. If creating a forest, choose a clear FQDN and NetBIOS name. If joining, ensure replication paths are reachable. During promotion, set a secure DSRM password and decide whether this host becomes a global catalog and DNS authoritative source. Once promotion finishes, create OUs and baseline GPOs to enforce password, audit, and login policies. This organizes objects and secures authentication. Also, add delegated admin groups rather than using built-in accounts. You finish by validating functionality and setting recovery plans. Check replication with Repadmin and verify DNS SRV and a records. Confirm sysvol and netlogin share presence. Test user authentication, logon scripts, and that group policies apply. Review event logs for NTDS or DNS errors. Finally, schedule regular system state and AD-aware backups and document restore procedures so you can recover quickly. If replication fails, check time, DNS, and firewall rules first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.